This video is brought to you by the School of Social Work AV team and will review how to set up and use breakout rooms in Zoom. To start off with, breakout rooms allow you to split your Zoom meeting in up to 50 separate rooms. The meeting host can choose to split the participants of the meeting into these separate rooms automatically or manually, and can switch between rooms at any time. To create your breakout rooms, simply navigate and click the breakout rooms icon. Select the number of rooms you require, and finally, assign the users to their room. When creating your rooms manually, you will be able to customize room settings and can place specific users into separate rooms. Simply hover over a room to rename it or delete it, and click Assign to place a specific user there. The Options button will allow you to customize room settings. You can permit users to leave, or you can schedule time limits for each session, and can adjust the closing breakout room counter, which defaults to 60 seconds. Once users are assigned and you've selected your settings, click Open All Rooms. Finally, attendees will be given a prompt to join the meeting before they can enter the room. When using breakout rooms, hosts can message all rooms simultaneously by selecting Broadcast a message to all. Simply type your message and click Broadcast. Students can also connect with the host by clicking Ask for Help. When you wish to end breakout rooms, click Close All Rooms. Everyone will receive a short countdown and will be sent back to the main meeting room. You can record breakout rooms in Zoom, but there are two methods for saving your video files. Zoom allows you to save these files locally to your computer or on the cloud, which we recommend. You will be able to access cloud recordings at umich.zoom.us. Simply log in using your Umich credentials and select Recordings from the left toolbar. Pro tip: if you experience issues recording breakout sessions, you may want to schedule individual meetings instead. This will be more reliable. Finally, you can track attendance of meetings. Simply log into your Zoom web portal, select Reports, which is found in the left toolbar, then select Usage. Once here, find your meeting and select Participants. For additional information or if you have questions, please contact us.